God damn it. I was thinking about getting the shot. Apparently I ended up scaring the ducks. Ah well. We're doing part 2. No, not part 2, but a continuation of that last piece of crap vlog that I was making. So here's the plan for today. We're gonna go back. We're gonna go hit this pond up here. We're gonna hike around it. We're gonna go explore up there today. It's nice and early. We got a good start. I got everything situated on me, so it's pretty comfortable right now. I wish I had some kind of little carabiner that I could just pull this over, keep the freaking tripod strap off my neck, but I could pick up one of those easy enough. Some pretty flowers, some bees. Yeah, we got some nice fat billowy bastards up there today, boy. Today would be a good day for time lapses, but we'll do that up here. Get up to our other spot there where we were shooting the time lapse last time. We'll set up base camp, figure out where we're going. Let's do it. This fucking place, it just, every time I come out here, it's like amazes me. It's so fucking beautiful. Raw ass fucking nature here, boy. You gotta love it. I see the pond, so it'll be fucking ninja quiet now. More ninja quiet than that. I think I see the ducks over on that log. I'm gonna sneak down to this log here. See if I can't get a fucking open shot, because they are like right over there on that fucking log. So I gotta put this shit down. Let me get a little closer, if I can. They still can't see me from where I am. I can't see them at all. You can't see me either, can you? Well, I like this dude up on the branch here. Definitely female wood ducks. I see one male. They still don't know about me yet. So I have a bunch of them right on these logs right up here, so I was coming up, scared the hell out of them. Luckily these guys are still over here on the other side where I was, the ones I was taking pictures of. Just gotta go real slow. Quiet like. I didn't even fucking move. I didn't even move. They knew about me. Because the other guys were all freaked out about me. No point in being ninja quiet now. Besides, I already got their fucking pictures anyway. Ha, joke's on you fuckers. Ain't this fucking beautiful? I mean, come on. Come on. Yeah, the ducks are on to us now. It's gonna be a hard time catching them today. So, as quiet as I was being, you know, they were on to me before I made a fucking step. Kinda lost our sun too, must have got clouded out. So I'm thinking about getting a 5D fucking time lapse going here, because I like these clouds. Get that fucking eye back in this way. Oh, he flew away. Oh, no, where's he going? Where's he going? Oh, he came closer to me. Isn't that fucking nice of him? Look at me again. So we're getting a little bit of sun coming back out. I'm happy about that. Get some good exposure way back there. I definitely want to get back this way today. So it looks like it opens up back there. So we're gonna have to go along the shoreline here. I would like to circle right around the son of a bitch. And it's early in the day still, so we got time to do it today. Alright, that's it. We're out of here. We're gonna truck up the fucking trail. Well, if there's a trail. We'll make our own trail. We're gonna find a trail and make it. Here we go. Time to explore. Nice little stone wall to walk on. So nothing's living in it. Eep. Scaring the frogs. Pussies. This is solid. Solid ground's always a good thing. This is exciting. Keep going right up this way. Oh shit. Like where the fuck we step over here, I guess, huh? Think the whole fucking city. I want to get right over there. Big tree back there, that's where we were. This place gets better and fucking better the deeper I go. What the fuck? Yeah, this whole little fucking area right through here. Little grassy fucking spot. No sign of those ducks though. Oh. Hello. I like this guy right here, he's fucking wild. 10,000 little fucking stumps. All gnawed off by beavers too, that's what it is. This used to be all forest. Grabbed everything. Tripod, backpack. And it looked to me like I was not gonna get through the woods this way. So this is like probably the only way I'm gonna get around the pond is going this way. So hopefully we can. Look at this shit. He's eating that shit or something. Ow! We ripped the fucking body right off the fucking thing, left the wings in the web. Oh, this is all wet through here. Holy goodness. I got water in my shoes. This is like running out of dry land real fucking fast. About fucking 10,000 frogs. 2002. What y'all running for? I'm the frog lord, goddammit. Worship me. Yes. Get under this tree. Get over here. No sun though. We lost all our sun. So looks like we're just shooting video now. This is getting to be some fucking rough fucking getting around here. To be perfectly honest with you, it's already fucking after 5 o'clock. We could probably make it all the way out there before dark, but there's a trail. Boom. Let's keep going. Another fucking sinkhole, man. Jesus. This is some dangerous shit out here. A bunch of trees falling, sinkholes, and wood ducks. Everything's gonna kill you. We're making it around this pretty quick, I guess. Might be able to get out of the woods before dark. I mean, right now I'm at least an hour from the car. I gotta keep moving now, or I will be walking in the dark. It's workable. It's walkable. Oh, perfect. Perfect. Little frog dunge puddle here. Frog dunge. We're getting there. Not quite the halfway point yet, but we're getting there. The beaver's got this motherfucker. Chomp. There's gonna be some thick stuff here. How much further I'm gonna make it. Yeah. Yeah, this is the way to go. Oh man, we got a ways to go around this fucker still. Holy shit. Yeah, this ain't no trail no more. Oh, and look, I found a trail. Bam! Just like that. This fucking place is incredible. Every 20 fucking feet, it's like some whole crazy fucking place to hang out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is incredible. Here we came in. And this is the other end of the pond. Somewhere up in here. So we're going to be heading down the other side here right quick. Because there ain't no way we're going back that way. We're almost at the fucking point of no return, so. Cool rocks. We are way motherfucking deep in this. Not too bad walking through this stuff. Pretty swampness. Alright, well, I could pretty much cross over any place I could find here. Not quite crossable yet. Stay over here. Making progress. Oh yeah. Progress is good. Progress is key. I got so many fucking branches, grass, and all kinds of shit wrapped around my ankles right now. Oh, that was deep. Alright. This looks promising. Kinda. Alright, we are, without a doubt, on the other side of the pond now. Working our way back down. I still got the entire length of the pond to go. And back through the fucking meadow. And then down the trail for fucking 20 minutes. To get back to my car. It's probably 6:30 now. I think sunset last night was like 7:30ish. So I got like an hour to pull this shit off. I'd say coming up on the 3/4 of the way around the fucking pond here. Making pretty good progress. Whew. Look at that fucking sun. So many nice spots to fucking just stop and get a fucking time lapse too. Holy Christ. Well, we're almost back. Look. Definitely a lot quicker going this side. Oh, golden night. Whew. We're almost back. We only got this last little quarter of a freaking, not even a quarter, to my original campsite here on the south edge of the pond. So I said, fuck it. I'm shooting a time lapse. Why not, right? So got some neat clouds. Already got a little bit of color going in them. 5D over there doing his thing. I'll only be partially walking out of the woods in the dark, so that's cool. I don't mind partially walking out in the woods in the dark. Let the 5D run for 10 minutes. Take a little break because I was getting kind of unsure-footed. Almost killed myself in these rocks here. Rest up, drink some water, smoke a butt, shoot a time lapse. Just pretty much going to pack it up. I'm going to boogie back to the car because that's about all I'm going to have time for. But we made it. We made it around this fucking pond. Sure as shit. We did it. I did it. You followed. So we did it. So proud of us. Yeah, I don't know if we're gonna make it for actual sunset, but we're pretty damn close right now. We got a little bit of color in the sky, not much. Real sunset's gonna be in about another 10 minutes. This thing is gonna be done any second now. Oh shit, he's got 100 fucking left. I misjudged that. Close up the vlog here because after this I'm just packing everything in the fucking backpack and I'm fucking, because I gotta fucking get out of these woods because it's getting dark quick. I should have just enough time to get back to the fucking main trail. Because once I'm on the main trail, it's just a straight shot through the woods. Of course, you'll be tripping on shit the whole way because it's fucking dark, but we can do it. Like always, thanks for watching, like and subscribe. Leave me a comment, tell me I suck. Give me a thumbs up. And I'll see you in the next vlog. Later.